How to create an Amazon wish list and share it. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can create an Amazon wish list and share it in the easiest way. So what you're going to want to do for this is you're simply going to come over to this section, okay? Now, once you're in this section, you're simply going to go ahead and click on create a list, okay? Now, once you create on click a list, it's going to say wish list where you can let people know what gifts you would like. Okay. So that's basically a wish list. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to start adding, like, obviously, you're going to sign in with your Amazon account and that will create a list. And to start adding things into your wish list, you will obviously start going on products. So let's say I'm going to go on any random product that I like. Okay. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to go into gaming keyboard. Okay, and I like this product, so I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to go ahead and here it's going to say add to list. So you're going to click on add to list, and what that will do is it will give you the lists to add your products in, and you're simply going to add it in that. And that is how you're going to basically add products to list. And then obviously in the same list section, you're going to get a link for sharing the list. You're simply going to access that link. And once you go ahead and access that link for yourself, what's going to happen from there is, you're going to share it around with people, and that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. If it was, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.